running down the
No! As you can see, I live with a nightmare. Ow! Ow! See, I told you! Get off of me! She wipes her dribble off of me, and it's horrible. All my clothes are in the wash except these, and now she's ruining them. Hey, get off of me! Hey, get off of me! See, she has a nightmare. Oh, by the way, I found my pencil case in the car. I was looking all over the house for it. It's hilarious. Oh! I have a nightmare! Shut up! Why? Why did you say that?
James, damn it.
Goodbye.